Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today I'm going to talk about my Creative Fabrica income reveal for October with only 6 live products. I'm going to break down my earnings and I'm going to share with you a couple of tips and tricks. So I started this online store back in November 2021, and at that time I was really busy with a lot of things. I was studying full-time at 2 different schools, I had kids to handle, and I had YouTube. So I decided to pause on Creative Fabrica, give it a bit of time just until I had juggled everything, and then I came back to it late May of this year. Now, when I came back to it, I came back at full speed, where I actually invested about a month time to completely do my research, not only on Creative Fabrica, but also on the other alternatives, such as Gumroad, such as Etsy, such as Creative Market, so I could know whether Creative Fabrica was my best choice to invest my time, to invest my energy on listing my digital prints. And I concluded at the end of the approximately 1 month of active research that Creative Fabrica to me was the best platform to host my digital online printable store. So what happened afterwards, after the research phase, is I decided to take it quite seriously. I wasn't ready to take it full-time or part-time. I decided to take it casually and see how it goes. So I started to list products, and it came to a total of 7 live products. I've recently, in the month of October, took out one of the products, which was a 69-page affirmations book, full color. I took that out and I placed it elsewhere for specific reasons, but that did not really cause any disruption in my sales. I had another bestseller that I could rely on, which is good. So apart from that, what I wanted to know is that just an overview of what products I was selling on Creative Fabrica, so you know what kind of products you can sell to help you get started. This is really a beginner's guide, to be honest. I'm going to go with you step by step as an overview. So I currently have 6 live products. 3 of them are educational flashcard products that are targeted towards children who are bilingual, that speak English and Arabic at the same time. Mind you, I can specialize in any other language because of the resources that are available, and one of the most popular languages that you can target is Spanish, as well as Chinese, as well as French as well. So the options are limitless. I also have a 61-page coloring book that is selling quite well. I do have 2 single-sized art print posters that have not bought any downloads, unfortunately, but I still decide to keep them there. And what is great about Creative Fabrica, having a store as a seller, it's different to Etsy. Etsy has all these monthly charges. They have a listing fee that you need to pay for listing your products. Creative Fabrica is all for free, so you can host your store, you can have your products, you can have a platform that you can post in to keep people updated, to connect on a personal level with your customers or with even other members of the platform. So just before I dive into how much I made, I would like to take this opportunity to say that I'm grateful for everyone that has placed their trust in my products and either downloaded or gave a favorite to any of the listings. And I'm currently running a sale to experiment with the results, so feel free to check it out. My bestseller product is a bilingual Arabic English 32-page ebook that is aimed for children to help them learn the names of the fruit. So you can get started with any product on Creative Fabrica, any product idea that you have. I'll also insert a full plan to help you get started as a beginner, as a seller on Creative Fabrica. It's available for free. It's a full resource to help you get started, a breakdown of the investment that you need to make. I also have talked about my variable costs, my fixed costs. So it's a whole business plan, basically. I decided to really dig deep, and as I said, a full month of research. Then I created a business model as a seller, and I published my findings on medium.com, which you can access the free article to. How much time did I invest on Creative Fabrica? For the first 5 full months of working on the platform, for only 2 to 3 hours per fortnight, I have made a total of $209.47. And my earnings for October is $43.19. $43.19. It can be broken down into 60% single private sales, 30% member downloads, and 10% referral of either customers or sellers who have started to make money on the platform, and therefore I receive a super small percentage of that. And my brief reflections on the earnings for October. I understand it may not seem to be a large amount for a full month to many of you, which is totally understandable, but to me, I'm actually quite grateful for this amount, because basically during October and September, the previous month, I did not invest any time on Creative Fabrica. I did not add new products, I did not edit new products, I did not promote heavily compared to the previous months. It was only about 2 hours or less per fortnight, which is great. So in regards to the promotion, I just maybe once or twice I promoted on Pinterest, the free promotional method, pinned a couple of different products on as single pins on the board. They attracted a few single sales, which was good, from private customers. So we've come towards the end of our video today. If you enjoyed today's content, if you enjoy tips, strategies, and income reveals, then please subscribe to the channel. I'm really, really grateful for you. Thank you so much for watching.